In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from saving everything in Windows 11 5 minutes. If OneDrive keeps scooping up your desktop documents and pictures, let's take control. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon near the clock. If you don't see it, click the arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. Click the cloud to open the panel. Next, click the gear icon for settings, then choose settings from the menu. This opens the full OneDrive settings window, which is where we'll turn off automatic backups and syncing. Head to the Sync and Backup section. Here select Manage Backup. You'll see the folders OneDrive is protecting by default, typically desktop documents and pictures. Uncheck any folders you don't want synced to the cloud anymore. This stops new files from those locations from being uploaded. When prompted, click Stop Backup to confirm. That action doesn't delete your files. It simply turns off the automatic backup. Anything already in OneDrive stays in your OneDrive folder and online, and your local files remain on your PC. If you want to reorganize later, you can move files between your local folders and your OneDrive folder manually. To make sure OneDrive isn't syncing anything else, go to the Account tab in the same settings window, click Unlink this PC. When the confirmation prompt appears, choose Unlink Account. This disconnects your computer from OneDrive without removing your local files. Your OneDrive folder will remain on your PC as a regular folder, and syncing will stop. If you ever change your mind, you can sign back in and re-enable syncing at any time. If you've decided you don't want to use OneDrive at all, you can uninstall it like any other program. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive, and uninstall. You may need administrator permission. You can always reinstall from the Microsoft Store or the OneDrive website later. A quick tip: after making these changes, save a test file to your documents or desktop and confirm it stays local by checking that the OneDrive cloud icon doesn't show sync activity. Also, if you rely on cloud backups for certain folders, consider leaving those checked and only turning off the ones you don't want in the cloud. That's it. You've stopped OneDrive from saving everything, and you're in control of what stays local and what goes to the cloud.